How to auto-fit columns in Google Sheet. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Spreadsheet. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply highlight the columns you want to auto-fit. After that, right-click. And then you'll find Resize Columns option. Click on Resize Columns. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Enter new column with pixel and then make sure fit in data is selected if you want to fit in your data. After you've done that, simply click enter and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. As you can see, it is auto fitted to my size. And this is how to auto fit columns in Google Sheet. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a